Hello guys, and welcome to the video series of the SolidWorks tutorial for the beginner. So in this video tutorial we will learn how to use shell command to make the hole in the part. The example by taking an example of the bucket. So let's start with the sketch and the revolve command. First sketch a sketch of the bucket. So here I am taking a center line of around 150 mm. Now take a solid line and make a view of a 2D view of the bucket. Now go to the feature manager, select this line for the revolution axis. Now go to the feature manager and use the revolve command. Then OK it. Now to shell this, go to the shell command and select the face which you want to remove. So here I want to make hole from this faces, so selecting this face of the thickness 2.5 mm. Then OK it. You can see preview from here also. It will look like that. Now you can see that by using the shell command we have created the bucket. Now if you want to change the color of the bucket, so go to the appearance. From here you can change the color of the bucket. So here I am selecting the color, this one, and select OK. So here you can see that we can use, by using the shell command we have created the bucket, and by using the appearance you can give the different types of the color texture to the inner side and outer side. So guys, for today it's completed. In the next video we will meet with the new options and the new concept of the SolidWorks tutorial. And if you find any difficulty regarding this SolidWorks design, assembly and part drawing, etc., so you can tell me in the comment section. I will help you. Thank you guys.